I think what I really appreciate the most about Death Valley is the incredible diversity of wilderness that you can find here. You can drive very short distances and the landscape can change utterly, and yet all of it has in common this marvelous expansiveness about it. You can really feel the magnitude of the place and the remoteness of most of these places without even really having to go very far from areas that have a little bit of civilization to offer. My name is Erin Babnik, and I'm an adventure wilderness landscape photographer.